Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today guys, I go boil some soup guys. Yeah, some beef bone soup guys with red peas. Guys, I be a badness. Some bad beef bone soup guys. See me beef bone. Yeah guys, so what I go light up my stove, put my beef bone and the peas to go and boil guys. So guys, watch your badness. Yeah guys, so I go on in a pot. My peas and my beef bone are boiled together. The overs, guys, I be a badness. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so in my beef bone soup, guys, you have Irish, carrot, sweet potato, and some flour, guys. Corn. Guys, I be a badness in our kitchen. Soon come back, guys. Be a badness. Yeah, guys, so watch your badness in our kitchen today, guys. As you can see, so my pot on fire bubble up. My peas and me beef bone a boil over. So guys, my peas cook, my beef bone cook. You understand me, I did. See the peas cook guys. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna knead up some flour and I'm gonna sew her on guys. Yeah, I'm gonna knead up some flour in the kitchen. I'm gonna sew her on. Guys, I soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna pour some flour in the pot. I'm gonna knead up some flour now. You don't know the badness guys. Sing why to the angel. Not too much flour, guys. Not too much flour. Your overs. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna knead up some flour. I'll make a sewer go on in our kitchen, guys. The overs will be about me. Some beef bone soup, some red peas and beef bone, guys. Guys, I don't know the badness. I need up some flour. Soon come back. Yeah, guys. So finish knead up my flour. Over. So guys, over here, so now I'm gonna eat some ground food. Me Irish, me carrot, and me sweet potato, guys. So I'm gonna peel up some ground food now, guys. Also, me have two sweet corn. Yeah, guys. So be a badness in our kitchen. What I'm gonna do now, I go peel up my Irish and me sweet potato. So, guys, watch your badness in our kitchen. Yeah, guys. So my swag on in our pot over here. Swag on, guys. I be a badness. So I'm gonna peel up the ground food now. Throw in our pot, guys. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness in our kitchen. Guys, I be a badness. Remember that. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so I go peel two Irish, guys. Two Irish. The overs. I go peel one of the sweet potato. Yeah. Guys, some of you sweet potato. 9.44, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna cut up some carrot. Cut up some carrot, guys, so you don't know the badness. So, guys, I go deal with my ground food. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'll cut up my carrot, my Irish and my sweet potato now guys. Don't know about this in my kitchen. Guys, I love carrot you know. I love carrot guys, I'm gonna use a lot of carrot. Guys, be about this in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so this sweet potato. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I wash them off, drop them in a pot. Overs. Be about this guys, I'll be about this in our kitchen. Some red peas and beef bone. Guys, be about this in our kitchen. Be about this. Soon come back guys. Guys, watch your badness. Be about this guys, be about this in our kitchen. Salt. I can see your love. Guys, the salt coats like some fine grass packer. Salt is very coarse. Gonna put a little bit more. Yeah guys, after me put in my flour and season up my pot guys, one more salt me put in over. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna put in my flour. Yeah guys, I'm gonna put in my flour. One pot of soup guys, one pot of soup. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna throw my flour in a pot. Your overs. Yeah guys, I'm gonna dash in my flour then I'm gonna see what I want. Guys, I'm here to listen. Guys, I'm gonna make a dumpling them too big overs. Yeah, some small dumpling. Beef bone guys, beef bone with red peas. Be about this. Guys, beef bone with red peas. Be about this. It's be about this. But pull. But pull guys, but pull. Make some spinach. Guys, you see badness, guys. Watch your badness. Be your badness, guys. Be your badness. Some bad beef bone, red peas, guys. The soup I got bad. With my coconut powder, guys. Guys, me not getting any dry coconut. So I just pick up a powder. Overs. Guys, the city badness soon come back. Yeah, guys, I don't know. Can't left it going, guys. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so now clean up the can with you in the pot, guys. Be a badness. Be a bad. Yeah, guys, so I'll put the can in my pot. Till my can in, guys. Make them go and boil. Guys, the pot overload. Leave that. Guys, you see that, guys? 8 pot full, guys. Believe that. Try sink off the can, them, guys. Let them cook. Guys, I have some coconut milk. I'm not ready to put in yet. I'm not ready yet, guys. Everything go and boil. When it boil, go down the cup. I put in the coconut juice, guys. Guys, I'll be about. Yeah, guys, this is the finishing look on my beef bone, red peas soup, guys. Be a badness, guys. See you in our next video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Yeah, click that notification bell as a video drop. You have it, guys. I'm out. Be a badness in our kitchen.